So this was basically the disease was not coming onto the skin for a long period of time, but he was suffering from psoriasis, which came to light on the MRI scan. The last week there was a patient who came in, and he came in for dandruff, which was not responding to treatment for a couple of months. And on evaluating the patient, why is the dandruff not settling? Then we asked about the medical history, and it came to light the patient hadn't informed about this earlier that he was having joint pains for which he was being treated by an orthopedic doctor for a long period of time, especially the lower back. And by the orthopedic physician, he was being treated thinking on the lines of posture related problems because he was a software engineer constantly on the desk and so on and so forth. Even the joint symptoms were not responding to treatment. So then, out of suspicion of the skin and the musculoskeletal system, the relationship between the two, we decided to get an MRI done of the entire spine. And there it appeared that the patient had arthritic changes in the sacroiliac joints. And then the MRI was done, on the basis of which we started the patient on the latest treatment for psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis, which is the biologics. And the biologics are a very specific category of treatment which is meant for treating patients with severe psoriasis, for patients with nail psoriasis, for patients with joint psoriatic changes on the joints. And wonderful results. He got relieved from his joint problems as well as the skin issue. So it is important to have suspicion that there could be other symptoms apart from the skin issue that the patient might be having. It could be a skin disease which is manifesting as some other system organ involvement, which just shows that the skin is the largest organ of the body and it can involve multiple organs before anything comes up on the skin. So that is what we did, and the patient is completely fine now.